Hey guys, welcome to Kia's Fusion Kitchen. Today I have brought to you another no oven baking recipe, the viral 3-ingredient biscuit cake. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of this biscuit cake, but for emergency situations like a lockdown, this works pretty well. I've done some basic decoration to deck up an otherwise boring looking cake, so stay tuned till the end. Let's get baking! For the cake batter, break up the biscuits and add them into a mixer jar and grind to a fine powder. Now add the baking powder and milk and grind it for just 2 to 3 seconds more. And that's it. Our cake batter is ready. I have a 4-inch round cake tin here, greased and lined with parchment paper. Now pour the cake batter into it and smooth out the surface with the help of a spoon. Now this is ready for baking. To bake the cake, preheat the Kadai along with the stand on the smallest burner and lowest flame for about 5 to 7 minutes. For even circulation of air, ensure that your cake tin does not occupy more than 3/4 of the space inside the Kadai. Now put your hand over the Kadai, and if it feels hot, our Kadai is preheated and ready. Now place the cake tin on the stand and put the lid on and bake on the lowest flame for about 40 to 50 minutes. Do not open the lid at least until 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, you can check if the cake is done by inserting a skewer into the cake. If it comes out clean, our cake is ready. Now switch off the flame and take the cake out of the Kadai and let it cool. The cake has cooled now. Let's unmold it. Now the fun part, decorating the cake. I am using whipped cream to decorate the cake. To know how to make it, you can watch my tres leches cake video, the link for which is provided on the top right corner. Now slice the cake into half, making 2 discs. Apply the frosting on one disc, smooth it out and cover with the other. Now apply the frosting on the whole cake, covering the top and the sides, and smooth it out. Our cake is nicely frosted. You can pipe out some roses, flowers, or any design that you like. Finally, I have decorated with some chocolate shards and candied cherries. Isn't it looking pretty? This is so simple to make, and I hope you do give this a try, and do let me know how it went for you in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.